All right, guys. My name is Miguel, aka Torrent, coming back with a quick review. Today we're reviewing. These have been making their rounds on TikTok, right? The versions of these, but this one right here is the Tellison. So basically, you put this around your neck, and then you take your iPhone and you click it, and you have like a first-person point of view type of thing, right? And you record. So I've been playing around with this. I'm going to switch to a different view so you guys can actually see me, because I got to tell you, this thing is garbage. Absolute fucking garbage. So I'm going to show you why. All right, hold on a second. All right, guys. Now you get to see my face. I rarely come on camera anymore. But anyway, so we're going to talk about why this is garbage, right? All right. So I got this off of Amazon. Nobody sent this to me. I bought it with my own funds because I make YouTube videos, and I wanted to see if it would be a cool point of view to make videos with the camera like this. Because let's face it, these cameras, this is the iPhone 16 Pro Max. These cameras have gotten really good at making, high quality videos. So I was curious about this. I saw this going around on TikTok, and I was like, maybe I should get it. So anyway, you got this little button over here, right? You take it off, and you're supposed to wrap it around your neck. Now, if you're a big boy like me, and you got a beard, this is absolute, let's pull this down. This is absolute garbage. First of all, the mechanism, right, to get this in is not simple. You gotta click it in. But this has to be perfectly aligned in a certain way to do that. And if you can't see it because you have a big neck like I do and a big beard, you got to try to feel it, and I'll show you. Watch it works. I have spent hours trying to do this. Say, I can't. See, it's in. I don't know if you can see it. Well, maybe. Oh, there we go. It's in. All right. So hopefully I didn't get my beard caught, right? First of all, it feels like a goddamn choke collar, all right? Now, I feel like, look at this. I'm going to breathe on my phone. Now, I'm going to switch to my phone. We're going to do a recording. So I'm just going to switch it. I want to see what you guys see. So again, we're recording, and I'll put this video up here. Now watch. Boom. Okay. All right. So we could do the zoom out. Now I've flipped this over. We could do the zoom out, and for the most part, this is okay, right? This looks okay. However, there is kind of like, it's just on your chest. So like it really just moved, right? So like if you're planning on walking with this, like you're relying 100% on the stabilization of the camera, to stabilize, and the fact that it doesn't stay like, it doesn't stay level. So when I've been walking or trying with this, you'll see that, like, if I'm talking or moving or, it gets this like shakiness. So you're really relying on the stabilization of the camera, and it's awful, man. It's awful. So like, what am I supposed to do? Like, this is just, so every now and then I'm just gonna move it and straighten it out. And it's just, I don't know if there's better products out there. I don't know if this was kind of like the scam to do it this way, and then people find out the hard way. But if you're planning on making any type of YouTube videos, or you're planning on like recording stuff you're probably going to get people motion sickness with this. You're literally going to talk, and people are going to be throwing up all over the place. But for the most part, right? So like if I just sit here and, turn it down, and, maybe, like, here's a flashlight, maybe do this a little bit. I mean, it's not 100%. Oh, we stopped recording. It's not 100% completely horrible. It does have like a cool point of view that a lot of people do, especially on reviewing, and you get like really good zoom in. But again, you see, like as soon as I move or say something, it starts to jiggle. So anyway, so I don't know if there's others out there. I didn't even look. I got so disappointed with this one that I was kind of like, this is crap. I'd rather get my tripod. I'd rather do a mount like this on my screen, and for somebody's walking their dog, and I'd rather just kind of do it this way. But I really would have loved maybe something that was obviously bigger, you know, maybe a little bit more room on the neck over here, you know, because I got a big neck. And the locking mechanism, let's take this off, right? I wish the locking mechanism, there was better locking mechanisms out there that did something better than this. I mean, it is soft. And again, maybe if I know this is crazy, but if it had like a gimbal of some sort to keep the phone from wobbling, it would be great. So anyway, that's my honest review. I did give it a try. I don't like it. It was only like 25 bucks on Amazon, so it's not like it broke the bank. But again, it's one of these little, you know, little gadgets that you see everywhere on TikTok that you kind of want to have, and you're like, that actually might be cool. And then you try it, and you spend $24. So save your money, get a better system than this, or save your money with the Telesen, because this Telesen is kind of poopy. So anyway, guys, I hope you like my reviews. I hope you like my channel. Do your internet thing, like, subscribe, say mean comments, and stick around for my next videos. All right, take care, guys.